plug on the mounting bracket installation requires a couple of taps.
Both side brackets are connected to the transverse support bar. Leave all the screws untightened for now. Leave all the screws untightened for now, with the slot on the bracket on one side. Installation of dish basket. Leave all the screws untightened for now. Backplane inserted in corresponding card slot. Install the laminate. Don't tighten the screws yet. Installation of handles, tightening of screws. Adjust the shelf to be roughly flush with the floor. Then tighten all the screws with the wrench. Installation of suction cups. Hooks for cleaning baskets, chopstick holders, and knife holders. Install the pendant in order. Installation hooks. Dustproof flip-top cabinet, door rack.